Hello guys, this is Enoch Sango right here. Today we are going to talk about how to get into trades with Metatrader 4. On our last training, we managed to open a broker account and we linked that broker account to Metatrader 4. So it's now on our Metatrader 4 platform right now. So we are going to show you how to get into the trades on your demo account. This is the demo account that we opened together last time on our last training with 200 US dollars in balance, and it's a demo account. All right, so we are going to concentrate on only 3 buttons that we have at the bottom there: the quotes page, the one that I've selected in blue there, also the trade page. That's where you'll be seeing your running trades right here, and also the history page, which is where you'll be seeing your exited trade or the trades that have already ended. Okay, so now the example that we are going to use is a trade that is right here: order type, market execution, and the pair is Euro AUD, and it's a buy trade. Euro AUD, and it's a buy trade, right? So now what are we going to do? We want to make sure that you select or you copy your stop loss value. Then you go to your Metatrader 4, you look for Euro AUD, and you set your stop loss, you set your take profit, and you get into the buy trade. All right, so I'm copying stop loss right now, which is right there at the bottom there, return SL. I click copy, and that number is now in my clipboard. All right, remember, Euro AUD buy, the number that is after the buy there, this is the exact price that this trade alert was actually called out. Okay, don't worry about that because it's market execution. You get in as soon as you receive the trade alert. Okay, so I'm going straight to my MT4, and I go to the quotes page and I look for Euro AUD, and there it is right here. Okay, there it is right there. Okay, if it's not there, what do? You click the plus at the top right corner there, then it will send you to these folders. You go to Forex, then you look for Euro AUD. You can't find it right now because it's already added on the quotes page. All these pairs that you can see right here, they are not there on the quotes page. So let's go back. Then we click Euro AUD and we select new order. Okay, once we select new order, look at the top there, is already written market execution. Then the next thing that you need to do is to correct your lot size depending on the account that you have. Correct your lot size. Make sure that the maximum that you are using when you have a $100 account is 0.01. Okay, 0.01. All right, once you correct your lot size, now remember we copied our stop loss. Where do we place our stop loss? Right above red underline. Okay, so you just long press there, and you click. Now our stop loss is there. We want to go back to where our signal came from, and we select a take profit, which is what we're going to place on those other zeros there above that green underline. Okay, so back to where the signal is, we select, there are 3 take profits there. You select one depending on your account size. If your account size is big enough, maybe 3 times, maybe it's $300 or more, you can get into these 3 trades separately, or you can bundle them up and get into one trade with 0.03 as your lot size. All right, so now I'm going to just select, because I'm assuming that I have a $100 account. So let's say I select the take profit 2 with 45 pips. I just long press there. I make sure that the whole number is selected, and I click copy. Then I go back to my MT4. Remember, this is now the profit. The profit is always green or blue. All right, so I'm going to paste, long press those zeros above the green line and click paste. If you are using iPhone, actually it will be written take profit, stop loss. So you just paste at the correct position. Okay, I'm clicking paste. So that's my my take profit value there. Take profit value. All right. So now once I do that, I'm ready to get into the trade, and I'm now supposed to click either sell or buy. But remember, the trade asked us to get into the trade with a buy. Okay, so I click buy, and guess what? I am in the trade. And remember, guys, every trade that you get into starts with a negative. It's because of the spread, and the spread is what pays the broker. Okay, so don't worry. Don't end up saying, I'm already running a loss, let me get out. No, guys, every trade that you get into, it starts with a red number, with a negative, until you close, or until you cover the spread. That's when you begin to see the profits showing up in blue. All right, so now this is your trade. If you click it once, you'll be able to see that you have set your stop loss, that's SL, your take profit, that's take profit there. And if you maybe get into the profit and you want to get out of this trade right away, which is if you have already set your parameters, it's not actually recommended. But if it happens that you need to get out of the trade, maybe you want to go somewhere and you don't want to leave your trades hanging, you just long press the running trade and click close order. Okay, you see at the bottom there is written close with loss 0.02. that's 2 cents of loss. If you click there, your trade will close automatically, and don't even press that button by mistake, because it doesn't even ask you if you are sure. Okay, so that's basically that's what you do if you want to get into the trades. Let me just show you something else. Let me try to get into another trade. Let's say the trade alert came asking you to get into the trade, not with market execution, but this time with a buy stop, or a sell stop, or a buy limit, or a sell limit. Okay, it means you are going to need the entry price. You are going to need the entry price. All other things are the same, but in this case, when it's a when it's a buy stop, or sell stop, or buy limit, or sell limit, you will need the entry price. And the moment you're going to change return market execution, just click there. You see these are the 4 options right here. Each and every one of these options, guys, when you click any one of these, you realize that you now have where is written price. That's your entry price. And your signal, they'll give you the entry price if they are asking you to get into a trade with a buy limit, or sell limit, or buy stop, or sell stop. Okay, so I think that's all on how to get into the trades. The next training that we will do, we are going to actually upload it as time goes on, in the following days. So make sure that you subscribe, hit the subscribe button, and also hit the notification bell, so that as soon as we upload some other videos in near future, you will be notified right away and benefit from them. So thank you very much, and have a great day. Goodbye.